It is a legitimate W-30 car with only 52,000 original miles. Alright, well here I am. My friend Freddie told me that he had just picked up this really cool Oldsmobile 442 W-30 out of a barn not too far from here. It is a legitimate W-30 car with only 52,000 original miles. The only major work that's been done is this quarter panel was replaced when it was hit by a deer early on its life. And there's a patch panel down there in the lower quarter. But it is a legitimate W-30 car. And it's only missing some of the parts. He took the interior out because it reeks of like raccoon and squirrel stuff. But, oh man, I wish you could have smell vision. It is pretty bad in here. Whew, even with whatever's left. But listen to this. Other than the missing door panel, that thing still shuts nice and tight. I mean, it was literally sitting in a barn since the 70s. You can see 1974 was the last time it was plated. And I believe it's a 7D. But this was a bare bones W-30. It had the steel wheels with the dog dish caps. See this side? But the only major rust is in the floor panels where the window leaked. The back's just got some surface rust. Unfortunately, the raccoons have really done a number on it. And then but what had happened was when there was some painters came to the farm and moved the car outside so they could paint. And they knew what the car was, and they tried to steal parts of it, and they did. They stole the intake and some other parts. This is not the original engine. The original engine's in the back of a truck right now. I'll show in a minute. But, so they actually had grabbed the hood and were running out of the farm, and the farmer threatened them, and they dropped it and broke the tooth off. Well, not off, but it's pretty close. But unfortunately, he didn't catch them with the rest of the parts, and unfortunately, they're gone. The main engine's there with the F-heads and everything, so that's really cool. But look how chalky the red fender wells are. That's just crazy. Here's the build tag, and here's the car. I mean, how cool is that? And this damage up in the front, other than the tooth, was done by the farmer pulling it out of the barn. But, yep. So here it is. W-30 442. This was really neat. Before I actually saw the 442 at my friend's place, it was on Craigslist just up the road from his place, and I missed it by a few hours. Here's the original listing. He, of course, being a lot closer than I was, picked it up, and I know a whole bunch of people that were disappointed when he was able to get it before anyone else, but that's the way it works. He took it, organized it, and he did move it on to a new owner, I think a year or maybe less after that. I'm not really sure. I think it went to a Oldsmobile restoration place because it had rust, but it wasn't that bad. It had a lot of surface rust. It needed a thorough cleaning and going through. It hadn't been driven since 1974. That we were able to verify. And the original engine was out of the car, but it was there, which was really neat. And the red inner liners were still there, even though they were a little chalky from being in the barn for, well, it's 45 years, I think, at this point, because this video was shot in 2000 or 2018. The car was complete though. The interior, you'll see there's the original engine, the original F heads. And like I said, the intake was stolen, the air cleaner was stolen. So it did miss a few parts, but you can get those. That's not, I don't think that's the original air cleaner. But it was cool to see and document before it moved on. Hey everyone, hope everyone's having a great spring so far. I'm recording this in, was it spring of 2022, and we're just about coming out of, the winter thaw. My garage has finally de-thawed and actually has, warmed up and, is not flooded anymore. But with the rains coming up, I have no doubt that it will happen yet again. But I'm actually going to hopefully work in it this weekend and coming week. Let's hope. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video with the Olds 442. I got yelled at a lot for saying 442 because I'm so used to 440s. But it is a 442 W-30, and I'm not sure what happened to it after it was sold, but I heard it was going to be restored because it was a pretty complete car. Let me know what you think in the description below, and please subscribe. That way I can keep on doing what I do. And if you have any comments, questions, you can always contact me through any of my social media, which is below. And hopefully soon I'll get this thing going. This thing should run, in theory. We'll see.